All right, I have the rubric here. Let me give you the $3 tour of my project. Let me present that here and I'll show you everything that has been asked for on the rubric. All right, here is the Canvas page, the dashboard. Here's the course I have set up. So let's go to the course. Here's our home screen. All right, so I have, here's all the stuff over here. It says the first thing on the rubric is a unit module must contain a minimum of 2 lesson plans with 45-minute class periods. This is what we built earlier in the semester, but I have uploaded them here in my Canvas class under files. I have lesson plan 1 and lesson plan 2 broken out and put them right here on this with the 3 to 5 course objectives. There's 3 of them on lesson 1. There's assignments on each one. So the assignments there, assessments, activities that we'll be doing during the class. So each one of the lessons has that lesson 2 right there. Like I said, these were submitted earlier in the semester, so this is kind of rehashing what we've already looked at during that. But I wanted to show it on this video. See, build out your lessons in Canvas. Well-developed course of clear goals, objective, no broken links, all that stuff. Got the lessons and stuff. So let's go back here to the home screen and look. I have the lesson week 1, click here. Week 2, click here. I have the 2 weeks. So when I click here on week 1, it does have the lesson for the student. Here's the class part. In class, what we will be doing, analyzing, solving one variable linear equations. Here's what the student should be able to do after that. And here is the assignment part of them is a practice. After class, you log into Delta Math. When they click on this link, it takes them over here to Delta Math. This is actually the teacher view, but the student view, it'll take them to this right here, activity of solving for X. And so it's set up as a class. They see this right here, lesson 1. Solving for X. I cover this in the class video, but this is where it gives them practice problems. I don't take a grade on this, but it's just where they can practice on Delta Math. So that link is right there for them. It'll take them to that. And then their assignment is right here on week 1 as well, where they're supposed to copy these 6 problems down and solve them for X. And if X has no solution, they put none. If it has infinite solutions, they put X equals infinite. But this has that, and they submit a picture with their assignment. So this is set up to allow them a file upload or a text entry box if they want to type it into Canvas as their 6 problems there. But they can do that in a document or on paper and take a picture. But that is the activities assignments. And there's also a discussion board. If I go back here to the assignments, let's go back to home where we can see it. It's easier. There's a discussion board for week 1 and week 2. I did 2 different discussion boards. It's basically a place where I tell this in the class video, that if they've got a question about a problem on lesson 1, something they're trying to figure out and can't, I want them to post it on the discussion board. I want them to look what other students have posted, because maybe they can help another student, which is the best way to show understanding, is if you can help someone else understand or solve something. So the discussion boards are set up there as well. It says include a video for students that models digital citizenship strategy. Up here in the start here, syllabus and course objectives. When they first go to that, there's the video on digital citizenship. So when they click on that, it takes them to that video. This is the one that was turned in earlier in the semester. You didn't count off on anything, but you had said that you had a question on how would the school be able to control students' internet access if they were accessing the internet from home. And so I added in this video at the bottom, and I'll stop
all right.
I put this comment down there that yes, the district can see all of the websites you visit on your Chromebook, and websites can be blocked on your Chromebook even when using your home internet service. Our school does have that ability on the Chromebooks. They have software installed on the Chromebooks to be able to monitor even when the students using their own internet at home or public internet anywhere. They have it on the Chromebook built that itself, where they can actually block websites where students cannot access them, and as well as view the history of everything the student has done. So that is the link to that digital citizenship video right there in the students' link, syllabus and course objectives. It says provide a recording of a synchronous lesson, no more than 15 minutes. That video is right here. Video from class. And when they okay. Here is that class video. Let's just jump somewhere in the middle of it. I'm going to hit closed captioning. There's the closed captioning.
Test another number, 3 minus 2.
So there is the 15-minute exactly class video, which you also have a link to turn down this project. And then it has provide a syllabus for your course. So make sure I've gotten everything. The unit module, 2 lesson plans, build out in Canvas, video model, digital citizenship, synchronous lesson. And those are added right under that. So if a student misses week 1, the video is right there. Now let's look at the syllabus to make sure it has everything you've asked for on this rubric. Syllabus and course objectives. So here is our syllabus. It says course description, title, and contact information. Here's the title of the course. Here's a description of it, of what you're doing in this class. And there's my contact information, email, phone number, even my building and room number, along with the teacher website, which you can click on and go to my website there. So it has all of that as well. Let's see, objectives and communication protocols. Course objectives right here. Fall semester includes writing and solving questions. Gives what unit 1 talks about. Unit 2 talks about in the second semester. Spring semester, unit 3, unit 4. And of course, I just have week 1 and 2. The rest to be determined, just because we built out 2 lessons for this example right here. But it does have the objectives protocols. So the academic dishonesty, plagiarism, and on integrity, academic policy and procedures. Let's see if we go down here. Where did I put there it is, academic dishonesty right here. And it says refer to the district academic dishonesty policy at this link. When you click on this link, it does take you to the school board's website and lists out the academic honesty and integrity policy right here. Defines what it means. It gives specific examples of conduct that fails academic integrity. It says it's not limited to, but includes all of these. And it gives what first and second offense violations would occur for the student, what activities, what problems they could end up with that. So that is right there in the course syllabus as well. ADA compliance right there, American Disabilities Act, has the contact information. This is kind of based on how JBU's was on the course syllabus for this class. And the attendance policy, see, academic dishonesty, plagiarism, integrity, got that, procedures, evidence accommodations, ADA, and attendance policy. I put the attendance policy up here higher on the syllabus. Let's see, attendance and participation. I follow school policy on attendance. If you don't attend a synchronous class session, you're counted absent. So when you click that link for school policy, again, it takes you to the district website. It shows you what the absence policy is, laying all that, what counts as excused absence, what counts as unexcused absences, and how excessive absences can lead to where you don't get credit for the course. So this is the school policy again on attendance right there. Let's see, calendar of assignments. That's more back under the course objectives. Calendar, unit 1, unit 2, 3, and 4. We're going to be covering during the year. Let's see, technology requirements and expectations. Let's see, go up here. Here's the computer requirements. You need reliable internet access as well as a school issued Chromebook. And I also included this link here. If you need assistance supporting internet access, this takes you to the government's affordable connectivity program that can be applied for to help pay for internet for students. So that's the government website that our school district also links to this page. So our school will also refer people to the same thing. Required text provided online, computer grind, course objectives. What else have we not covered? Last thing on your syllabus is the student netiquette expectations. So that link is right here. That takes to the video, the document that we put together as a group earlier in the semester with the netiquette rules for class meetings, emails, and for chat. So that is linked right there in the syllabus as well. I believe that covers everything you were looking for. Discussion forums talks about how that is part of the class. Here's my late missing work policy. Here's the grading calculations. I think that was listed in your grading expectations and calculations. So here is the calculation portion right here. It talks about the grading scale and how that works. And this is a math class, so grades round to the nearest whole number. So we have that on there. Academic Dishonesty, Americans with Disability Act. Oh, and the tech support. I don't know if I mentioned that under the expectations and tech requirements, technology skills, also tech support. When you click on that link, it does take you to the online help desk, which you can click there to chat during these hours. If it's after those hours, it will email the tech and they will send you an email back. And I have an Albert Einstein quote: "Do not worry about your difficulties in mathematics. I can assure you mine are still greater." So, all right. I think I've included everything you were looking for in the Canvas class. So if there's anything missing, I apologize if I missed covering it, but I believe I have everything here over in the files. I did put the academic dishonesty policy, PDF of it, FERPA, internet safety, all this stuff, acceptable use policy, as well as my lessons, the Netiquette rules document, syllabus. I have all that uploaded just in the files of the class for reference. So, all right, I think that's everything you were looking for. Thank you very much.